I'm gonna let you guys see all that scrumptiousness in a box. Look at that, people. Like, MG. This is like, that is like food porn. So I'm gonna take my big old butt and eat that and then go home. Calculator. Hi guys, I know I'm all late picking up the camera, but I'm sitting at my son's bus stop waiting for his bus. It should have been here at 12:15 and it's 12:18, and I have a doctor's appointment at 12, which is 45 minutes away from here. So it's now 12:19, and I don't think I don't know. I hate being late. It makes me nervous, and I'm like, and then I have to get back down here. My doctors always take forever to see me, probably an hour and a half sometimes before he sees me. And then I gotta come back down here to get him off the bus at 3:45. So I'm like, you know, it's after 12 o'clock and I'm worrying about 4. Yeah, so I don't know where this bus is. I might just go ahead and just take him with me, because he's only a pre-K. He's only pre-K. No, you're only pre-K. I can take you out of school today. You go to my, is that your sad face? But I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna give this guy 2 more minutes. I'm gonna give this guy 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna roll out because I had to go. I had to go. So I'm going to my 32 weeks doctor's appointment, even though I'm 33. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys once I get there. So I finally made it. Oh, she's kicking. I don't know if I'm gonna get checked today. Hopefully I don't get checked today. But she is kicking. Yeah, so it's now
Dr. Roberto, Dr. Jaxson on line 15.
I hope this doctor hurry up, because I gotta go. I really have to go. Because my kids get out of school at 3:45. Well, they get off the bus at 3:45. So I got to go. So I could tell you the day I had. I'm so tired. I just got back from my doctor's office. It's 3:29. I'm not home yet. But guys, there's this place by my house that sells pizza. It's called And Pizza. If you guys have never had that pizza, go try it. Oh, I have the chicken pesto. Ooh, it smells so good. Like, and then they had the mango something. This drink. I'm looking like, what did they put in that stuff? Like, it's so good. I'm about to go scarf that food down and go pick up my kids, because it's 3:30. But I'm literally like right next to my house. So, ooh, that pizza smells so good. Ooh. And my husband is home, so we're gonna go see what he brought, because there's no dinner. There is no dinner. My finger is always on the... Honey?
He's fixing my door.
Oh, really? He just come home and come to fixing stuff? Hi, honey. How was work? The lighting in here is bad, guys, so we're gonna look all kind of funny. What are you fixing? Her panty drawers? It's stuck?
Channel.
I told her, I said, when Daddy get home, he'll fix it. And look, Daddy is fixing it. He's our handyman.
I still have the skies and stuff.
Where'd you get, oh wow, it's really jammed.
Yeah, that was really jammed.
Oh wow.
Oh, my mommy.
I had no idea it was that jammed.
Mommy.
You know what that means, honey? New dresser!
Nope.
New dresser!
Mommy.
We're going shopping! What's up, Bubba?
Keep it like that.
Let's keep people.
Daddy, new dresser!
No.
People keep on pushing on it.
Yes, we're getting a new
Okay,
dresser because that shouldn't be, babe. The child shouldn't have to struggle to get her underwear.
No, I just got a drill and put
Yeah,
some little holes in
look, see, he has to be Spanish. When you're married to a Spanish man, they're very thrifty and very.
What? What?
Oh, look at Juju.
Yes.
Hey,
Yes.
Juju.
Yes, I'm saying hi to you.
Say
Yes.
hi to Daddy.
Yes. Yes. What?
You saying hi to Daddy?
You got water.
You say hi to Daddy. You have to. Yes. I need to go out. I need to go out.
Yes.
When I get bigger, maybe.
Yes. What? What?
You little spoiled butt.
Daddy, we ate pizza again.
Yeah. We ate pizza again. You have to tell our all business.
I ate pizza again.
You have to tell our business.
All you gotta do when you want to open it, take this over here.
But we're doing homework. We're doing homeworks.
I'll fix it, okay?
Yeah. We're doing homeworks and chores. Chores are next. Homework and chores. And then there's no dinner because I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. Then my husband's going to figure out something for these kiddos to eat.
Yeah, I have.
IHOP. No, ain't nobody got no money for no IHOP. Please. And huh?
I won't be here for that.
No, I was hoping you would be here for the fall sock stands. You work at 4?
He says you can come.
You guys can go, but I work at 4.
Yeah, it's yours. It's your school dance. It's your first school dance.
But you
Not right now.
And you're normal.
No, he wants to go with them.
Yeah, so
To take him out.
we're not doing anything.
This is.
We're not doing anything for the rest of the evening.
No
And then
much.
follow my husband
Besides
around.
watching movies and eat dinner.
Oh yeah, he for us
Hey, my man.
to
I wouldn't say
to
that on
watch.
there.
Babe,
You have to edit that.
I'll edit it. I'll edit it. Ooh, sorry, that can't be in there. Backspace, delete that. What else? What Kevin be saying? I don't know. But I did my baby shower. Oh, it's disgusting.
Why?
Jaxson has to do it, but Jaxson is figuring out how to add 3 + 9. This boy over here. Sorry guys for the bad lighting. This boy over here adding 3 + 9 and getting 0.
I'm trying to put my shoes on.
And I'm so frustrated because
So Jaxson needs to come in and get this kitty litter.
yeah. But I did my baby shower haul today. But if you guys want to go check that out, so
Okay.
that's all I did today. That's the only video I did today. And I haven't been vlogging a lot because I feel like I'm just here by myself. Ew, babe, the kitty litter. You open the window and it's windy outside and it's just like, I need to go back to my room.
It's a reminder. Kitty litter. Jaxson.
I can't change the kitty litter or else I would have been done that. But yeah, I did that and
Yeah, once he empties it, it's good.
yeah. So I haven't been vlogging because it's just me by myself here during the day and I'm like, do I want to vlog just So I just vlog, and I'm gonna be doing other videos on my channel instead of vlogging, because until I get, you know, a good amount of subscribers, because it doesn't make sense to vlog when you're only getting a couple views, you know. Once my channel has grown, then I'll go back to vlogging, but until then I'm just gonna be doing, you know, sit down videos and stuff like that, where I just, you know, do like favorite videos and hauls and stuff like that. But if you guys want to see the vlogs, continue to see the vlogs, comment down below, let me know, and I'll continue to do them. But for right now, I don't think I have the audience for vlogging. So
you can move it back and
yeah, that's that. But anyways, I'm gonna go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.